Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another cute quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam CAPTCHA error. So if you are having a Steam CAPTCHA error, then this is the video for you guys. Without further ado, let's dive in. So in order to solve this issue, what you do is go to your browser. I'm using a Chrome browser. If you are using a iPhone, then go to Safari or something. I'm an Android user and I'm using Chrome, and so I'm going to Chrome. Once you go to Chrome, you can see on the top right corner you can see three dots. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, scroll down until you find settings, or simply you can see settings. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, scroll down until you find privacy and security. Simply tap on that. Once you tap on that, simply tap on clear browsing data. Simply tap on that, and check mark all this, select all this browsing history, cookies, silent data, cache image and files, and simply tap on clear data. Tap on clear, and once you do that, your Steam capture will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And if you still have the issue, please comment below so that we can solve your issue on another video. Thank you.